So let's see how strong you are first. Don't let me push down. Perfect. Don't let me push down. Good. That feel equal strength-wise. Okay. Flip over on your tummy. How long do you usually hold your stretches at practice?
5 seconds.
Okay. So if I bend this guy back, tell me when you feel a stretch. Okay. All right. Now roll back on your back. Don't let it go straight down. Don't let it go straight down. Okay. So compare that to this. Hold. Good. Okay. So a lot weaker on this one, right? Okay. So what happened? Okay. Yep. So when you stretch, you're unplugging the nerve. So now the muscle can no longer contract, which is why it feels like it's looser, because now you have no muscle control. What you want to have is as much muscle control as you can. Don't let it go down. Okay. Stronger again.
Yeah.
Okay. And again, don't push down.
Because
Good. So we took it away with the stretch. We plug it back in with what we're doing. So if you stop unplugging it, you won't have cramps. You won't pull muscles. You won't do all that stuff. Okay.
So just don't stretch.
Don't stretch.
How close, bro?
stretch after.
Stretch never.
Okay.
Same goes for foam rolling, lacrosse balls, Thera guns.